Welcome to another day in the life of a student. Today's topic, math, the subject that has a way of turning even the calmest among us into a bundle of nerves. Whether it's algebra, geometry, or calculus, math has a reputation for being the ultimate brain teaser. But here's the thing, maybe we're taking it a little too seriously. Let me tell you about this one time I was up late, trying to solve a tricky math problem. I had pencils scattered everywhere, scribbles that looked more like hieroglyphs, and a headache. After hours of stress, I realized I was taking it way too seriously. That's when I decided to take a step back and chill. Because let's be honest, math isn't going anywhere. But neither is my sanity. Maybe it's the pressure to get everything right. Maybe it's the fear of failing. But here's the thing, math, like anything else, is just a skill. And skills take time to develop. Instead of stressing, we need to give ourselves permission to make mistakes and learn at our own pace. Here's a tip. Next time you're feeling overwhelmed by math, take a break. Do something you enjoy. When you come back, you might find that the problem isn't as tough as it seemed. Remember, math is just a game of numbers. And games are supposed to be fun, right? Instead of seeing it as a chore, let's view it as a puzzle to solve, a challenge to enjoy. So the next time math has you stressed out, remember this. Don't take it too seriously. Take a breath, enjoy the little things, and remember, there's more to life than numbers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.